Tesla launches color customization in-vehicle software for people wrapping their cars. Oh, that's cool. I'll take that.
Mm-hmm.
So you're in the dash, you're on the big display inside of your Tesla, and you want to see what your car would look like if you wrapped it in like a chrome finish green, for example, like this example right here. And it's basically like Photoshop, except it's overlaid on top of the animated version of your car there.
Mm-hmm.
And so many people wrap their Teslas, man. It's like I'm out in the public and I see all types of custom colors I know you can't order. So it's a really common occurrence. And I guess that's what the software is about. Once again, another feature only available in China, though.
Mm-hmm.
So that makes the custom wrap as well as the karaoke, the Tesla branded microphones, which those are the ones we really want. Maybe even more so than this software. The feature is currently only available on Teslas in China. Amongst premium automakers, Tesla is known for offering the least amount of options, certainly when it comes to colors. I know they said they wanted to expand it, but the paint shop was already overwhelmed. There's already huge supply and demand issues. They're not trying to complicate it further. So maybe at a later date. And in the meantime, whatever, go ahead and wrap it. Enough people seem to not have issue with it. So if you can't make cars fast enough, then I don't know how much of a need there is to introduce more colors.